Welcome everybody to the channel. Coming to you with some Zcash, if you would. How about reading that disclaimer? We're going to get right over and talk about some Zcash. Let's find out where Zcash is at today. Zcash is at $206.20. Coming down today, it's down 1.79%. Overall market's pulling back. As we can see here on the 4-hour chart, Zcash is at a level of support right here that is gradually turning into resistance. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. These level of supports, after they've been hit and rode along so long, this is where buyers come in. It's not green right now, but it was green. And when you have exhausted all the buyers at this level, then, sellers overtake these areas, and the sellers are starting to outweigh the buyers. So, and that's the overall bearish market that we're in. So on the 4-hour chart, where do we see ZBAC heading? I mean, not ZBAC, but Zcash. I just did a video on ZBAC earlier, and it showed that Z. But Zcash is, as we can see, it's in a consolidation area right here. It's been hitting this area of resistance up here, pushing up, hitting it, and getting rejected. Well, here on March the 4th, we didn't get as quite as high as we did right here. We came down, and as you can see, you could say this was an area of support right here that gradually became an area of resistance. So we came on down. We've been dropping, consolidating somewhere $250 down to $206 where we at. We're not being here back over on February 28th with Zcash, and now we've went up, hit our lower level at resistance, and got rejected and come down. So this is what we're looking to do. We're looking to come on down. If we fall out of this area of support right here where we at right now, if we drop below $203 and we continue to pull down, we coming down to $185. And this is what the market tells us time and time again. Back over here on February the 6th, we had a major drop down, little liquidation down. We're down to this $185, and well, you can say that this is where the overall market is telling us where we're going. When you see drops in the market like this, sell-offs, this is you can kind of say, well, we may bounce back up and have a bounce back up from 185 all the way back up to 335. But hey, this is where we're going. The market tells you way back over here where we're going. So we are coming back down to $185. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. We could, and this is what I'm saying, depends on the overall fundamentals in the economy and whatever. With Iran and the United States, we could come down. We could just ride along up in here, ride this area for a bit, and then it's going to be a deciding factor where we come down or we shoot back up and test this area of resistance. And that's where we're at. Right now, if nothing don't change in the market, we're looking to continue right on down. And at this point, once we get over here, down here, then I can update you again on Zcash and let you know the fundamentals, the technicals of it, and where we're headed. But I don't know exactly where Bitcoin's going to pull back much further, and I'm here to tell you that Zcash is also. We're not getting in on Zcash. We're waiting on Zcash to pull back because it's hard to time the bottom of the market with Bitcoin in these bear markets. You can get close, but I got lines down here between $116 and $76, or 78 to 116. This is the area we're going to get in here on the channel. We're going to get in right in these areas right here. And you like, well, are you sure it's going to pull back that far? Oh, yeah. Zcash is coming down, back down these areas right here. And I want to give you an update on that. Was looking for some type of relief rally. Couldn't get it. Couldn't get it with all the oil. We got oil. Just to bring you this. Oil, look where the price of oil is. It's just $91.27. Prices is just shooting up fast with what we got going on over there in Iran with the Strait of Hormuz. So, if this continues on, there's going to be more bearish pressure coming into the crypto market. And with that happening, with oil spikes, the economy not doing good here in America, it's really not. They tell you what they want to tell you, but overall data says different. And the likelihood of getting interest rate cuts don't look good. So, I wanted to cover coin market cap. Let's look where it's at, and I'll give you an update on everything right here. Coin market cap is at 2.32 trillion. It's down 0.85% on the day per coin market cap time cycle. Fear and greed index is sitting in extreme fear at 19. And altcoin season sitting at 37 out of 100. And the average crypto RSI is favoring in the oversold zone. In the sold zone below 50, sitting at 44. So we want to see an improvement in the market, the crypto market, the altcoins. We need to see that get back above 50. We need to pull up out of this extreme fear on the fear and greed index. And then you can see the altcoin season index chart go up. You'll see the market cap come back into the green. And we could have a rally. But right now, where it sits, Bitcoin is slowly pulling back. Ethereum slowly pulling back. These top alts is slowly pulling back. Let's see. And I'll give you where Zcash is ranked at today. Zcash is ranked at number 26. Looking good. But as you see, we started the day out. We started right early morning on coin market cap date, 24-hour cycle. It was up in the green, and look where it's at. It touched this earlier, went back up, about touched it 3 different times. So it's hammering this floor right here on the 24-hour chart. So at some point, you keep hammering the floor, you're going to break through. And this is where I'm coming to you with Zcash at. We're hitting this floor, and we could hammer our way right down to $185. Just being honest with you. I hate to know that you're invested in Zcash much higher than this, but wanted to come and give you an update. I hadn't done one in a while on Zcash. I'm going to start covering it more because I like the privacy narrative of Zcash. Awesome project. It went all the way up to $700. And if it does come back to $77, $78, that's about a 10x from where it was at. But I hope you didn't buy in up there at the top. I really don't. I really hope you made profit, you got out in time, and then you're waiting to get back in. So right now, we're not going to get in right here. We're not going to, I'm not dollar costing average at $206 when I can get it 50% cheaper. So, and even at 50% cheaper, it could go down further than that. But I'm just giving you where I'd rather be closer here getting in than up here where we at getting in. So I just can't do it like that. I'm here to make money, and that's the name of the game in the crypto market. We're somewhat proud of what tokens we have, the projects, but overall, you're not investing your money just because of some to say you have a token. I mean, nobody's invested not to make no money. So this is the name of the game. So here on the channel, we just try to bring it to you real and up straight. But we're not getting in right now. We are definitely looking for Bitcoin to pull back 51%. So if Bitcoin's going to pull back another about a 50% drop, where you think these alts is going? So some of them will hold up good, and some of them will hold up stronger than others. Some of them have been holding up really good compared to others already in this pullback. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when we post a video, you get notified. Comment in the comment section. Share this video. Whatever you got to do to get it out and help us grow, we'll greatly appreciate it. Until we see you on the next one, I want to say God bless each and every one of you. Later.